Hello friends, now we will discuss about the definition of ionic product of water, which is represented by Kw. Now what is Kw? Kw is molar concentration of H plus ion multiplied by molar concentration of OH minus ion. Now if we take negative logarithm of both sides, we'll get minus log of Kw equal to minus log of H plus into OH minus. Now we know that negative logarithm of Kw is represented by pKw and minus log of H plus minus log of OH minus. Next step, we can write pKw equal to pH plus pOH. This relation is very useful. For any aqueous solution, pKw is always equal to pH plus pOH. pH plus pOH equal to pKw. Now at 25 degrees Celsius temperature, Kw of water is 10 to the power minus 40. That means minus log of Kw equal to minus log of 10 to the power minus 14. Now in place of minus log of Kw, we can write pKw, and minus log of 10 to the power minus 14 is 14. That means at 25 degrees Celsius, pKw is 14. So we can write pH plus pOH equal to 14. Mind it, this relation is applicable only at temperature 25 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature taken as standard, 25 degrees Celsius. So the pH of a solution cannot be greater than 14 and it cannot be less than 0. pH and pOH always represent 14. If pH of a solution is 3, then its pOH becomes 14 minus 3, that is 11. If pH equal to 3, then pOH is equal to 14 minus 3, that is 11. Similarly, if pOH is 3, pH is equal to 11. That's all about ionic product of water. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.